नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एचजेडी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड टुडेस वीडियो इज वेरी स्पेशल बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट न्यू लेसन सर्कल। ओके, इन दिस लेसन फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट थ्योरम। पहले तो हम लोग सारे के सारे थ्योरम्स लर्न करेंगे और उसके बाद में सारे प्रैक्टिस सेट एंड फाइनली प्रॉब्लम सेट। ओके, और ये लेसन बहुत इजी अगर उसको आप लोग सही तरीके से समझ के ले लो तो चलो स्टार्ट कर दे फर्स्ट थ्योरम से। या फिर फर्स्ट थ्योरम है ए टेंजेंट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ अ सर्कल इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द रेडियस ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट। So tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Okay. So let us consider line L is a tangent and it is just touching the circle at point A. Okay. So radius is OA. So we have to just prove that radius OA. Okay. Say OA perpendicular line L. Okay. This is our target. We have to prove this. So we will prove this. First we will write the given. So first we will write given. Okay, so what is given? I will write here. Okay, a circle with center A. Okay, circle with center A is circle. Okay, with center O. Okay, with center O. O is capital actually. Okay, and line L is a tangent. Touching it at point A. Okay, this is my expression. This is according to my knowledge. Okay, जिस तरह मुझे लगता है मैं उस तरह से उसको लिखना चाहूंगा। आपको जिस तरह से लिखना है उस तरह से आप लिख लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें। तो चलो मुझे प्रूव क्या करना है, टू प्रूव में जाते हैं हम लोग। टू प्रूव, ओके, so I have to prove that the radius is perpendicular to tangent or tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, line L perpendicular radius OA. Okay, I have to prove line L perpendicular radius OA. This is given in book also, or I can write or radius OA perpendicular line L. Both the things are very accurate. Okay, line L perpendicular to radius OA or radius OA perpendicular to line L. Both are correct. Okay, so now we'll prove this. Okay, now we'll prove this. Okay, so finally we'll write the proof. Okay, proof. So now we'll prove this. Okay, let us consider that. Okay, let us consider that. Okay, let's just consider that line L. Okay, point line L is not touching circle at point A. Okay, line L is not touching. Let us consider that line L is not perpendicular to circle. Okay, to circle at point A. Okay, at point A. Okay, let us consider that line L is not perpendicular to circle at point A. We have to just consider this thing, then we can prove this. Okay, so therefore draw. Okay, draw line L perpendicular to circle. Okay, at point B. Okay, at point B. Now just draw this. Okay, this is the our assumption or this is our construction. We have just read it to get the proof. Okay, हम लोग को एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है, आपको समझ के लो। फर्स्ट तो मुझे ये मानना है कि मैं ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करूंगा इस लेसन को, बिकॉज this lesson some students means facing problems to just write the solution for the theorems or problems based on the circle. Okay, but if okay, आपको क्या करना है, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो कि आपको मानना है कि जो लाइन L टेंजेंट है इट इज नॉट परपेंडिकुलर टू सर्कल एट पॉइंट A. सर्कल को परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है एट पॉइंट A. O इज ऑलरेडी रेडियस को नहीं बदलना, उसका नाम नहीं बदलना है, आपको ऐसा कंसीडर करना है कि लाइन L इज नॉट परपेंडिकुलर टू सर्कल एट पॉइंट A. Okay, so I will take another point. So draw line L perpendicular to circle at point B. Okay, now take point C on circle such that. Okay, take point C on line L such that such that, okay, A, B, C, these are the linears, and AB is equal to BC. Okay, so this is our construction. This is our construction, and now we can prove this. Okay, so in triangle now, in triangle A. Okay, this is O. O is not taken. Okay, in triangle OBC and triangle OBA. Okay, and triangle OB. Okay, what is, we know that sec OB congruent sec OB. Okay, this is common side. Okay, this is common side. First, second, angle OBC congruent angle OBA. Okay, each is 90 degree. Okay, हर कोई angle 90 degree का है. And third thing, I can write that now OB. Okay, this is construction sec AB congruent sec BC. कंस्ट्रक्शन इसको बोलेंगे कंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, ये आपको करना है तो ही आपको प्रूफ मिलेगा. ओके, therefore triangle OBC congruent triangle OBA. Okay, which test side angle side test of congruency. Okay, therefore I write that this OC congruent OA. Okay, say OC congruent say OA, but OA is the radius. OA is the radius. Therefore, tangent L touching the circle at point, okay, at point, which point? A and C. Okay, A and C. But I can write that but, okay, but point A and C, but point A and C are distinct point. Okay, these are the distinct point. Okay, now we'll complete this proof. But point A and C are distinct point, and tangent touching to circle at single point, touching to circle in only one point. Okay, I have written this much. Okay, and what you have to write I will tell you now. Okay, once you write all these things, okay, एक बार आप ये सब लिख लोगे. Okay, इसके आगे का प्रूफ मैं बता दूं आपको. Okay, so what happened now here, I got that OA and OC both are the radius. Okay, in this case, but O and A and OC both are the radius, but A and C are the distinct point, and tangent will touch to the circle in only one point. Therefore, assumption, what is our assumption? That first, okay, let us consider that line L is not perpendicular to circle at point A was wrong. Okay, is wrong, or therefore our assumption is wrong, that line L is not perpendicular to circle at point A. Therefore, the radius OA is perpendicular to tangent line L, or line L is perpendicular to tangent, or line L is perpendicular to radius OA. Okay, हम लोग को फाइनल लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट आप ये सब लिख लो. तो मैं थोड़ा सा जो बचा है इसको रफ कर देता हूँ और उसको लिख देता हूँ. ओके, तो आगे का भी मैं यही लिख लेता हूँ, आपको दिखाई देगा एक्चुअली, डोंट वरी. देयरफॉर our assumption is wrong. Okay, therefore, okay, line L perpendicular radius OA, ये आपको लिख देना है. इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. देखो, रेडियस जो है हमारी बदलती नहीं है, खाली हम लोगों ने ऐसा कंसिडर किया कि जो टेंजेंट था वो ए पॉइंट के यहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है. किसको परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है? सर्कल को. तो हमने बी पॉइंट ले लिया, वहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर दिखाया, और सी पॉइंट को भी सर्कल के उसी टेंजेंट के ऊपर ले लिया. कि जहाँ पे ए एंड बी पॉइंट है और उसके बाद में हम लोगों ने ये प्रूव किया कि both are the radius, OA and OC are the radius, but it is not true because tangent will touch in only one point to the circle, and that's why whatever the consideration we have taken in earlier time, it is not correct. Okay, therefore the radius OA is perpendicular to line L और line L is perpendicular to radius OA. Okay, ये हम लोग को finally proof मिल जाता है. This is the first theorem, we have completed it, and now we are going to solve second theorem. Okay, so we'll learn about the converse of the first tangent theorem. Okay, converse देखेंगे इसका. So theorem number 2. Okay, a line perpendicular to a radius at its point on the circle is a tangent to the circle. Means a line A is perpendicular to tangent at point A on the circle, and this OA is the radius. So line A is the tangent to the circle. We have to prove this. Okay, so let's start. We'll prove this very easily. Okay, so हम लोग इसको prove करेंगे. So what is first? Okay, given, we'll write the given. Okay, given, I'll write given first. So what is given? Line L. Okay, line L touching circle. Okay, line L touching circle. Line L touching circle at point A. Okay, what is then line L? Line L perpendicular to radius. Okay, radius OA. Okay, this is given. Okay, so now what we have to prove? Okay, I use the same pen. Okay, so this is given. Then to prove I am now using the different pen. Okay, to prove. Okay, line L is a tangent to circle. Line L is tangent. Line L is a tangent. Okay, is a tangent. This we have to prove, and now prove. Okay, now prove. Very easily we can prove this. Proof. This is very short actually. How it is very short, I will tell you this thing also. So now we'll prove this. Okay. So what? Line L. Okay. Okay. Everything is there. So I'm writing same thing. Line L touching circle at point A. Okay, okay, and then line L perpendicular radius. Line L perpendicular radius OA. This is given actually. I am just writing this. Okay, take point B on the line L such that, okay, A B. Okay, line L. Okay, A B. Okay, both are now in triangle. Okay, in triangle OAB. Angle OAB is equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore seg OB is hypotenuse. Okay, is hypotenuse. Okay, it is hypotenuse. If this is the right angle, then OB is hypotenuse. Therefore I'm writing as seg OB is always greater than seg OA. Okay, because hypotenuse is always greater than any side of the triangle in right angle triangle. Therefore A and B, okay, both are distinct point. Okay, therefore A and B both are distinct point. Okay, and therefore A is what? The point at which, one second. Okay, we'll continue now. Okay, see that. So this is a given. I have written as it is. इसमें जो भी लिखा है मैंने खुद लिखा है. Okay, as per my ideas. Okay, ये मैंने खुद लिखा है, आप भी खुद लिख लो. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा आपको. So no need to follow the given statements of book. Okay, as it is, there is no need. Okay, so OB is greater than OA. Therefore, the line L touching to the circle in only one point A. Okay, because A and B are distinct point and A is present on the circle. Okay, therefore line L is a tangent. Line L is a tangent to the circle touching at point A. Okay, so this is the proof. Only you have to just take one point A, okay, and that will be different than A. Okay, and then you have to prove that only A point is touching to the circle and not B point, because both are distinct, because OB is greater than OA obviously. So A and B will not touch to the circle at the same time, because the distance OB is more than distance OA, and OA is already the radius of circle. And then you have to say that this is the true, that only one point touching to the circle at means tangent touching to the circle in only one point. Okay, so that line is called as tangent. Okay, so this is the corners of the tangent theorem. Okay, this is corners of the tangent theorem. I have tried to explain it at my best. Okay, you also do the practice. And now we have completed two theorems. Okay, हम लोगों ने क्या किए, दो theorems complete किए, and now we are going to discuss about third theorem. Okay, so we'll learn about next theorem. It is known as tangent segment theorem. Okay, tangent segment theorem. Tangent segment drawn from an external point to the circle are congruent. Okay, let us consider B is an external point, and from this point tangent segment BC and BD are drawn to the circle. Okay, so what are given? Okay, a circle with center a circle with center A and line BC and line BD are tangent segments. Okay, tangent segments. Okay, now that segments are touching already. Okay, so this is to prove. Okay, what is to prove congruent? Okay, seg, we have to prove seg BC congruent seg BD. Okay, now we have to, construction is very everything in this case. Join seg AB and seg AC and AD. Seg AC and seg. Okay, so I'm removing it. Join seg AB, seg AC and seg AD. Okay, so this is the construction. Now come to prove. Okay, now in this case, okay, in triangle ACB, okay, I'm directly write in triangle ACB and triangle ADB. Okay, triangle ADB. Okay, so what is common? We have to write angle ACB congruent angle ADB. What is the reason? Radius is perpendicular to tangent, or tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, tangent is perpendicular to radius. Perpendicular to radius. Okay, this is the theorem we call tangent theorem. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, so first we got this, then seg AB congruent seg AB or BA. Okay, you write AB, AB or BA, common side. This is second common side. Okay, this is second common side. Okay, ये भी मेरे पास है. So and next is seg AC congruent seg AD. Seg AC congruent seg AD. Okay, this is the radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Okay, radii of same circle. एक ही circle की radius है. Okay, therefore triangle. Therefore triangle ACB congruent triangle ADB. Actually you write this first and then this second. Okay, by SAS test you can write ASS test also, no problem. Okay, by SAS test. Therefore seg, okay, BC congruent seg BD. Okay, what is reason? Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. So corresponding sides of congruent triangle. And this is our proof. This is our proof. Very short proof is there. Just little construction is required and very easy. This is very easy theorem. This theorem is called as tangent segment theorem. Okay, so what are the tangents drawn from an external point are congruent. Okay, this is the external point. BC and BD are the tangents. Okay, so they are congruent. We have to prove this, and this we can very easily prove this. And this is the theorem number 3. We have completed it, and now we are going to solve theorem number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth theorem. It is known as theorem of touching circles. Okay, two circles when touch to each other, so that two circles touch to each other in the same point, and that point lies on the line joining center of the two circles. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, so if two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. Okay, suppose this is A point, it is the A circle, this is B circle. Okay, this is center of A circle, this is B, center of B circle. Okay, and the line, if I join this, C is here, and this line L is the tangent. Okay, this line L is tangent. Okay, so now what is given? See, two circles touch each other, their point of contact. Okay, this C point lie on the line joining their centers. Okay, so two circles. Okay, two circles with center A and center B. Okay, center A and center B touching each other. Okay, at point C. Okay, this is point of touch. Okay, and now to prove point C lies on line AB. Okay, line AB. Okay, so this is, I think, line. It is line. Okay, line AB. Okay, so now proof. Okay, now two circles. Okay, I'm writing same, touching each other at point C. Okay, tangent L, line L is a tangent common to both circles. Okay, both circles. You write like this. Okay, it is depends on you. What you want to write, you can write. Okay, just it's your choice. Okay, therefore line L perpendicular seg first AC and line L perpendicular seg BC. Okay, therefore seg AC perpendicular line L and seg BC perpendicular line L. Okay, therefore point C is the common point in which tangent touching to both circles. Okay, both circles. Therefore only one line can pass from point C as a tangent to both circles. Okay, therefore point C lies on line AB. Okay, and the reason you can write CAB or ACB. Okay, CAB or ACB. Okay, you know that this is the reason only one point, okay, is common point, and from that point tangent is drawn. Next thing I will clear here one thing, that only one tangent can pass from one point. And one more thing, you get two types of circle, touching circle. One is external touching, these are known as internal touching. Okay, so both circles have the common point of touch, that point is C point. Okay, so only one tangent can pass from that point, that's why the all points. Okay, now see what is next. Okay, only one tangent can pass, So only one line can drawn from that point in which tangent touching to the circle as a perpendicular line to the tangent. Okay, so only one line can pass from point C as a tangent to the both circles. Okay, and that line will be perpendicular to the both circles. Okay, tangent. Okay, that's why that point C is lies on line AB. Okay, in this way you have to prove this. You want to write some more expression, you can write that also. Okay, so only one line perpendicular to line L can be drawn. Okay, you add this. Okay, only one line can pass from point C as tangent to the both circles. Tangent means that line is perpendicular. Okay, so in this way you have to prove this. This is the theorem number 4. Okay, and this is known as touching circles theorem, theorem of touching circles. Okay, now we are going to solve theorem number 5. Okay, so we'll prove the theorem number 5. The chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle or congruent circles are congruent. Okay, so now chords AB and BC are present in congruent arc AMB and BNC. Okay, and we have to prove chord AB congruent chord BC. Okay, so let's start. So what is given? First we'll write given. Okay, point O is the center of circle. I will write point O. Okay, point O. Point O is a center of circle. Okay, and you write according to your own skills. Okay, what is congruent arcs? Okay, arc AMB and congruent arc B and C. Okay, it is given in diagram. Okay, now to prove. Okay, to prove, what we have to prove exactly? To prove. Okay, so to prove, so let's have a look to prove. Okay, so what we have to prove? We have to prove chord AB congruent chord BC. Okay, chord AB congruent chord. Okay, second is BC. Okay, we have to prove this. Okay, and finally we are going to write the proof. Okay, so now proof. Okay, last step, proof. Okay, so before proof we need to join some. Okay, but no need. Okay, actually you can draw this diagram and then you can write. Okay, very easily. So otherwise you'll join. Okay, what do you want to join? So construction, little construction we'll do here. Construction, we'll add the point construction here. Okay, construction, and then we'll do this. Construction also need required. As per my view, construction is required. Construction. So the construction, join O, join seg. Okay, join seg. Okay, join seg. Join seg. Okay, OA, OB. And OC. Okay, and OC. Okay, join. Okay, and now proof. Okay, finally we'll write the proof. So what is proof? Now in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB and triangle OBC. Okay, what do you know that? Okay, so first I will write seg OA congruent seg OB. Seg SOA. One second. One little mistake is there in diagram. Once again. Okay, so I have just do some correction in the diagram. Actually, that diagram was also correct, but that was combined diagram, so it is not perfect. So we will take this diagram. Okay, now, so point O is the center of circle. Then arc A and B. Congruent arc C and D. Okay, this change is there. Chord AB congruent chord CD. We have to prove. Join seg OA, OB, OC and OD. Okay, just in triangle now. OAB in triangle. OAB and triangle OCD. Okay, the names only change. What do we know that? Seg OA. Okay, congruent seg OC. Therefore, seg OB congruent seg OD. Okay, the reason you can write here, reason for both radii of same circle. Okay, these are the radius of same circle. Okay, radii of same circle. This is the reason. So first you got this. Okay, and the last thing is that angle AOB congruent angle COD. Okay, angle AOB congruent angle COD. Okay, COD. Okay, angles made by congruent chords, congruent arcs. Okay, congruent arcs, or central angle made by congruent arcs. Okay, so they are also congruent. Therefore, triangle OAB congruent triangle OCD. Okay, which test? SAS test, side angle side test. Okay, so this is the test of congruency. Okay, therefore seg. Okay, therefore seg AB congruent seg CD. Okay, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Okay, therefore chord AB congruent chord CD. Okay, so this is our proof. This is our proof. Okay, very easy. This is very easy. Actually, just you have to do little construction. No need. Okay, diagram is already there. Everything is given. Just take two triangles and prove that two triangles are congruent, and then AB and CD. Okay, or any two chords. Okay, any two names you can give these two chords that are also congruent, because that are the corresponding sides of congruent triangles. In this way you have to prove this, and this is the theorem number 5, the theorem of the congruent arcs. Okay, this is theorem of the congruent arcs. So the corresponding chords are also congruent for the congruent arcs, and corresponding arcs are also congruent for congruent chords. Okay, you have to prove this alternately. Okay, so this is theorem number 5, and its converse is now there, and theorem number 6. Okay, तो अभी ये थ्योरम नंबर 5 था, हम लोगों ने देखा कि किस तरह से मतलब ये बहुत इजीली आप लोग प्रूव कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ओके, तो आपको एक बार समझ में आ गया ना क्या करना है, तो आप इजीली इसको सॉल्व आउट करोगे। ओके, तो ये था थ्योरम नंबर 5। इसमें जितने भी थ्योरम्स है, एक थोड़ी सी आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी चाहिए, so you can easily learn these theorems and you can easily remind these theorems. Okay, and you can use these theorems to solve the problems which are given in practice set and problem set or in examination also. Okay, तो ये था थ्योरम नंबर 5 जो हम लोगों ने अभी यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया, एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व थ्योरम नंबर 6. Okay, so we'll solve theorem number 6 and then we'll complete this video, and in next video we'll continue the remaining theorems of this lesson. Okay, so यहाँ पे मेरे पास corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle और congruent circles are congruent. Corresponding arcs मुझे A and B and C and D arcs को congruent दिखाना, मुझे AB congruent CD already दिया. Okay, given a circle with center O. Okay, or point O is the center of circle. Okay, I like this statement already. Okay, so point O is the center of circle, and okay, what is given? See, chords congruent and chord. Which chord? AB congruent chord CD. Okay, given है, it is given. Okay, ये आपको दिया है, तो आपको प्रूव करना है आर्क AMB, इसको इनवर्स बोलेंगे हम लोग, congruent arc CND. ओके, बहुत इजी, इट इज बहुत। कंस्ट्रक्शन मेरा जो था जॉइन, मैंने पहले किया था जॉइन सेक OA सेक OB सेक OD OC एंड सेक OD. ओके, एंड सेक OD. ओके, सेम मेरे पास ज्वाइनिंग था, सेम मैंने कर दिया। नाउ इन ट्रायंगल सेम तरीके से आपको प्रूव करना है, यहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं, एकदम इजीली। इन ट्रायंगल AOB एंड ट्रायंगल COD. ओके, सेक AB कॉन्ग्रुएंट सेक CD, ये तो गिवन का है, कॉर्ड से। ओके, सेक OA congruent sec OC, sec OB congruent sec okay OD. These are the radii of same circle, radii of same circle. Okay, circle. Okay, it is also given. Everything is very easy. Okay, now therefore triangle AOB congruent triangle COD by S test. All three sides, corresponding sides are congruent. Okay, therefore angle AOB congruent angle COD. Okay, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, therefore arc, which arc? AMB congruent arc. Okay, which arc? CND. Okay, CND. Okay, arcs made by congruent central angles. Okay, central angles of the same circle, okay, of the same circle, congruent circle. It is also allowed. Okay, so in this way you have to prove this. This is the one of the theorem. Okay, theorem number 6, and now there are more theorems given in this lesson. So first we will complete all the theorems. This theorem is also very easy. Okay, just a little concentration is required, little attention is required, little understanding is required, little efforts are required. Okay, so if you do better practice, you will easily learn all this theorem. You can easily use all these theorems. So you do practice. आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. प्रैक्टिस के बाद आपको सब कुछ आ जाएगा, बहुत आसानी से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. मैं मेरी तरफ से बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश करूँगा, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू मैक्सिमम वीडियो इन अपकमिंग टाइम, एंड आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर ऑल क्वेरीज रिलेटेड टू मैथ्स एंड साइंस. ओके, तो कभी कभी अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो जाती है, लेकिन ओके हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे बेस्ट दिस ईयर देने की. और द सिचुएशन, इफ सिचुएशन विल चेंज, आई विल कम online continually to discuss different topics, and I will teach you online also. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Thanks and keep watching. Have a nice time.